Urologist reveals this massage point restores male potency in 1 minute. Gentlemen, let me ask you something with complete honesty. What if I told you that there is a small point on your body, no bigger than a quarter, that, when massaged for just 1 minute a day, can reactivate blood flow, boost sensitivity, and bring back the performance and confidence you thought age had taken away for good? Sounds almost unbelievable, right? Maybe even a bit strange. But stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly where that point is, why it works, and how a simple daily massage could be the most powerful, natural boost your body has been missing. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Tap the like button if taking care of your health and vitality after 50 truly matters to you. Drop a comment with where you're watching from. I love seeing men from all over the country supporting one another. And of course, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos on men's health, energy, and confidence. Now, let's get real. Most men believe that once they hit 50, declining performance is just part of getting older. They think blood flow slows down, testosterone drops, and intimacy becomes more difficult. So they ignore it or turn to that little blue pill when things don't go as planned. But here's the truth. Age is not the real enemy. The real problem is pelvic tension and poor circulation, years of sitting, stress, lack of movement, and tightening up your body without realizing it cause the pelvic floor muscles, the very muscles responsible for erections, bladder control, and sensitivity, to become stiff and weak at the same time. Picture an old rubber band, stretched, tense, but with no elasticity left. That's exactly what happens inside your body. Blood vessels stiffen, nerves get compressed, and suddenly, what used to happen naturally now requires effort, or doesn't happen at all. The good news is, by releasing that tension and improving circulation to the right area, you can essentially reset the system. And the spot I'm referring to has been used for centuries in traditional health practices, but modern science now explains why it works so effectively. For those who are new here, my name is Dr. Daniela Ramirez, and for over 7 years, I've helped men reclaim their vitality, confidence, and intimate health naturally, without unnecessary medications or invasive procedures. And what you're about to learn could be the turning point you've been hoping for. I've seen firsthand how simple, natural interventions can give men back the energy, confidence, and intimacy they believed were gone forever. And today, I want to share with you one of the most powerful yet least used techniques for men's health, the perineal massage, often referred to as the $1,000,000 point. But before I walk you through how to do it correctly, you need to understand the most common mistakes men make, mistakes that silently destroy performance, and that this massage can help reverse. Mistake number 3: ignoring pelvic tension. Most men have no idea that their pelvic floor muscles are constantly tight. Daily stress, long hours sitting at a desk or in a car, poor posture, and even holding in your urine for too long cause those muscles to stiffen like a clenched fist. What does that lead to? Restricted blood flow, dull nerve response, and weakened performance. This massage helps release that hidden tension, like loosening a knot that's been blocking your body's full potential for years. Mistake number 2: relying only on pills. Sure, they may help for a night, but they don't fix anything at the source. They temporarily force blood flow, but they don't restore nerve strength, circulation, or flexibility in the blood vessels. That's why the effects fade, and over time, your body responds less and less. This technique, on the other hand, retrains your body naturally, restoring function from the inside out. And mistake number 1, the most damaging of all, is believing that age equals decline. This mindset is what stops most men from improving. I can't tell you how many men in their 60s and 70s I've helped who thought it was too late for them, until we restored blood flow and sensitivity. Within weeks, they regained confidence, intimacy, and a spark they thought was gone for good. Now let's talk about how to do this correctly, because the method matters. Step 1. Find the point. The area is called the perineum, located between the scrotum and the anus. Right in the middle, you'll feel a slightly softer, more tender spot. If it feels a bit sensitive, that's actually a good sign. You're in the right place. Step 2. Get into a comfortable position. Sit at the edge of a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or lie on your back with your knees bent. The key is easy access without straining your hand. Step 3. Apply gentle pressure using your index and middle finger. Press with the same firmness you'd use to check if an avocado is ripe. Firm, but not painful. Step 4. Massage for 60 seconds. Try small circular motions, 30 seconds clockwise and 30 seconds counterclockwise, or press and hold for 5 seconds, then release. You can also gently pulse up and down. Step 5. Use the right oil to boost results. Castor oil penetrates deeply and improves circulation while reducing inflammation. Coconut oil is soothing and supports skin and hormone balance, and black seed oil, famous in Middle Eastern medicine, has been linked to boosting testosterone naturally. Warm the oil between your hands first. Cold oil on sensitive skin is not pleasant. Step 6. Consistency. Just once a day is enough. Mornings are excellent because testosterone levels are naturally higher, and evenings help relax the muscles and enhance nighttime and next morning performance. Think of this like a workout. Consistency beats intensity every time. 1 minute daily is far more effective than 10 minutes once a week. Now, I know some of you may feel uncomfortable hearing this. Maybe you've never touched this area of your body before, or you're thinking, is this really for me? Let me assure you, it absolutely is. There is nothing weird or embarrassing about caring for this part of your health. This is about restoring function, dignity, and freedom. One of my patients, a 62-year-old man, told me he had completely given up on intimacy. After just 3 weeks of consistent practice, not only did his performance improve, but something unexpected happened. His hip pain disappeared, his bladder control improved, and he said he finally felt like himself again. That's the real goal, not just performance, but quality of life. Gentlemen, here's the bottom line. Massage this point for 1 minute a day. Use natural oils to amplify the benefits. Stay consistent, and within weeks, you'll notice changes that pills alone could never deliver. Don't let age define your vitality. Small, consistent actions can rebuild your body, your confidence, and your connection with the person you love. If this message gave you hope, hit like so more men can discover it. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're building a community of men who refuse to surrender their health. Comment below with one small change you commit to starting this week. I'm Dr. Daniela Ramirez, and I want you to remember this. You are not broken, you are not too old, and you absolutely can feel alive again. Take one small step today. Your future self will thank you for it.